So I cleaned out that one side, and then I started pulling up the carpet off the floor to see what that was like. And I realized what I have to do is get a cutting tool and cut along the hull all that fiberglass out. Today is demolition day. White tape. I was able to pull the passenger seat up almost as easily as the driver's seat. So I pulled up all that carpet, and then I found out that it's the same all the way around the boat. Anywhere there's plywood, there's fiberglass attached to the hull. So I need to cut all the fiberglass all the way around, all the way around, all the way around. It took maybe 10 minutes to get all that molding off the port side. looks important. I need a little screwdriver. Cool. To go buy some tools. Now the unboxing of the Dremel 4300. Does it work? Yes. So I went and bought this cutting tool, and it's got 3 blades. It comes with 3 blades. 2 of them failed. I cut maybe 24 inches, and 2 blades failed. I got 1 left. Made in Mexico. I'm sure they're a lot stronger than if they were made in China. As I'm putting the fiberglass on the bottom, this dust is flying up, and it's nasty. It's fiberglass dust. I'm wearing the N95 respirator. Still not that effective. I'm gonna have to get like a real respirator. So if you like what you see so far, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that little bell so you get updates on my latest videos. And we'll get this boat finished and in the water in no time. Have a good day.